Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by orienting your right hand. This is literal. Point your thumb in the direction of the current or the first vector. That's the axis you'll treat as primary. Next, curl your fingers naturally toward the second vector so they sweep from one to the other. Once done, make sure your palm faces the correct side for torque or force signs. This alignment sets up the geometric relation you'll use to determine direction, not magnitude. Now apply the curl. Curl your fingers from the first vector toward the second. This motion encodes the cross product. Your thumb, held perpendicular, indicates the resulting vector, the force or induced current direction. If vectors are not perpendicular, visualize the perpendicular component. The thumb still shows direction, while magnitude scales with the sign of the angle. Make sure to keep motions smooth and practice with different angles so you internalize why the thumb points where it does. Finish by confirming the direction physically. If your thumb points away, that's the positive or resultant direction. If you swap the two input vectors, the thumb flips, that's the antisymmetric property. Use this to check your work. Repeat the hand motion slowly while visualizing the plane formed by the first two vectors. If things still seem inconsistent, stop, redraw both vectors on paper, and repeat the hand curl. This often exposes a misalignment or reversed vector order, which is the most common mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.